Hello, and today I'm showing you how to make a Windows 10 taskbar themed in Windows 11. So firstly, you can open up Chrome, and there, just go and search up Explorer Patcher. Enter, and just go to the GitHub Valonet, and it will say Valonet/Explorer Patcher. This project aims to. And there, you can't actually see the download page, but all you gotta do is just go at the right, and go to releases. Just click on it, and scroll down. After, you can just press ep_setup.exe, and just press on it. This will download Explorer Patcher. And just wait until it's finished. And click on it with double clicking. This will initiate the page. Now your taskbar will transform into Windows 10 like my one is right now, and you will have the search bar, the classic Windows 10 menu with all the start menu features. I hope you now know what to do and what to do stuff. So yeah, and that's how you make it. If you want, you can also download the Windows 10 wallpaper via a browser to make it extra look like Windows 10. Thank you. Yeah.